Welcome back to the Hormone Harmony channel where we talk about female health and wellness. Today we will talk about fertility and how to improve it. Trying to conceive can be an exciting and sometimes stressful journey for couples. Infertility can be a challenging and frustrating experience for those who are trying to conceive. However, it is important to understand that infertility is not a hopeless situation. There are many treatments available, and lifestyle changes can also make a significant difference. In this article, we will be discussing science-based tips and tricks to help improve your chances of conceiving. We will be discussing the impact of different types of foods on fertility, the importance of maintaining a healthy weight, and some lifestyle changes you can make to improve your overall health and well-being. 1. Dietary changes. Improving fertility can be a complex and challenging process, but making dietary changes is a crucial first step. A balanced diet can help ensure that your body is getting the nutrients it needs to support healthy reproductive function. It's important to note that while some foods can improve fertility, others can hinder it. Therefore, understanding what foods to include and which ones to avoid is key. Consume a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables is one of the most important dietary changes you can make to improve fertility. Studies have shown that women who eat a diet high in fast food and little or no fruit take longer to become pregnant. Eating fruits and vegetables every day can improve fertility. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, and fruits like berries, are excellent sources of antioxidants that can help protect eggs and sperm from damage by free radicals. Include foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Including foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids is another important dietary change that can improve fertility. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in oily fish and have been associated with a reduced risk of developing endometriosis. They can also improve reproductive parameters in women. A study published in the Journal of Lipid Research found that women who consumed more omega-3 fatty acids had higher levels of progesterone, an important hormone for pregnancy, than women who consumed less. If you don't like fish, you can consider taking omega-3 supplements. Consume high-fiber foods. Consuming high-fiber foods is also essential for improving fertility. High-fiber foods can help prevent conditions like PCOS, which is a major cause of infertility in women. Fruits like pears, apples, and bananas are excellent sources of fiber. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are also good sources of fiber. You can try including these foods in your daily diet for better results. Avoid trans fats. On the other hand, it's important to avoid trans fats, as they can increase the risk of infertility in women. Trans fats can negatively affect insulin sensitivity, which is similar to ovarian hormones that help eggs to mature. An increase in insulin causes lesser and lesser secretion of reproductive hormones, leading to a lack of egg maturation and ovulation. Avoid foods that contain trans fats, such as burgers, pastries, and packaged baked foods. Consume foods rich in folate. Consuming foods rich in folate is also essential for improving fertility. Folate is a B vitamin that is essential for the development of a healthy baby. Women who consume more folate have been found to have a reduced risk of infertility. Foods rich in folate include leafy green vegetables, beans, lentils, and fortified cereals. You can try incorporating these foods into your diet or consider taking a folate supplement to ensure you're getting enough. Taking action. Taking action to implement these dietary changes can be challenging, but it's important to remember that it's a journey, not a destination. Start by incorporating small changes into your diet, such as adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals, and gradually work your way up to a more balanced diet. You can also seek the advice of a registered dietitian or nutritionist, who specializes in fertility to help you create a personalized meal plan that fits your lifestyle and dietary needs. In conclusion, dietary changes can be a powerful tool in improving fertility. By consuming a balanced diet that includes fruits and vegetables, omega-3 fatty acids, high-fiber foods, and folate, and avoiding trans fats, you can support healthy reproductive function and increase your chances of conception. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes for your health and fertility. 2. Maintaining a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is a crucial aspect of optimizing fertility. Both being underweight and overweight can have adverse effects on the reproductive system, making it challenging to conceive. For women who are underweight, they may experience irregular menstrual cycles, or in some cases, they may not ovulate at all, resulting in infertility. On the other hand, women who are overweight may experience difficulties getting pregnant or be at an increased risk of miscarriage. Thus, it is essential to maintain a healthy weight to increase the chances of conceiving and having a healthy pregnancy. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet is also crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and optimizing fertility. A balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can provide the nutrients your body needs for a healthy pregnancy. Additionally, consuming high-quality protein sources such as fish, nuts, and legumes can help support the development of healthy eggs and sperm. A diet rich in vitamins and minerals, such as folate, iron, and calcium, can also enhance fertility. Women who are trying to conceive should consider taking prenatal vitamins to ensure that they are getting adequate amounts of essential nutrients. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is another important aspect of maintaining a healthy weight and optimizing fertility. Moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, swimming, or yoga, can help you achieve a healthy weight and promote overall health. Exercise can also help reduce stress, which can have a positive impact on fertility. However, it is important not to overexercise or engage in strenuous activities that may put undue stress on the body. Women who are trying to conceive should consult their healthcare provider to determine the appropriate exercise regimen for their individual needs. Avoid crash diets. While it may be tempting to turn to crash diets for rapid weight loss, this approach can have negative effects on fertility. Rapid weight loss can lead to nutrient deficiencies and hormonal imbalances that may interfere with ovulation and conception. It is crucial to maintain a healthy weight by adopting sustainable healthy habits such as a balanced diet and regular exercise. These lifestyle changes can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight in the long term, which can improve your chances of conceiving. 3. Lifestyle changes. In addition to dietary changes and maintaining a healthy weight, lifestyle changes can also make a significant difference in improving fertility. Here are some lifestyle changes that can help improve fertility. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and improving fertility. Lack of sleep can affect the hormones that regulate ovulation and sperm production. A study published in the journal Fertility and Sterility found that women who slept for less than 7 hours per night were more likely to have irregular menstrual cycles and take longer to get pregnant than women who slept for 7 to 8 hours per night. Sleep also affects insulin sensitivity, which is important for regulating blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance can cause an increase in androgens, which can lead to ovulatory dysfunction and infertility. Getting enough sleep can help regulate insulin sensitivity and improve fertility. Reduce stress. Stress can have negative effects on fertility by disrupting the hormonal balance necessary for ovulation and implantation. Chronic stress can lead to irregular menstrual cycles and even anovulation, the absence of ovulation. There are several ways to reduce stress, including exercise, meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. Massage and acupuncture have also been shown to reduce stress and improve fertility. Limit alcohol and caffeine. Drinking alcohol and consuming caffeine can have negative effects on fertility. Alcohol can affect ovulation and sperm production, while caffeine can interfere with the absorption of important nutrients like iron and folate. It is recommended that women who are trying to conceive limit their alcohol intake to no more than 1 drink per day, and that men limit their alcohol intake to 2 drinks per day. It is also recommended that women trying to conceive limit their caffeine intake to no more than 200 milligrams per day, which is roughly equivalent to 1 cup of coffee. Quit smoking. Smoking has been linked to decreased fertility in both men and women. Smoking can affect the quality of eggs and sperm, and can increase the risk of miscarriage and ectopic pregnancy. Quitting smoking can improve fertility and increase the chances of having a healthy pregnancy. There are several resources available to help people quit smoking, including nicotine replacement therapy, support groups, and counseling. 4. Consider supplements. There are several supplements that may improve fertility, including folic acid. Folic acid is important for the development of a healthy baby. Women who are trying to conceive should take at least 400 micrograms of folic acid per day. Vitamin D. Vitamin D may improve fertility in women and men. A study published in the journal Human Reproduction found that women who were deficient in vitamin D were more likely to have infertility issues than women with sufficient vitamin D levels. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is an antioxidant that may improve egg quality and sperm motility. A study published in the Journal of Assisted Reproduction and Genetics found that women who took coenzyme Q10 had higher pregnancy rates than women who did not. Zinc. Zinc is important for sperm production and motility. Men who are trying to conceive should take at least 15 milligrams of zinc per day. Conclusion. Improving fertility is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and lifestyle changes. Making dietary changes, maintaining a healthy weight, getting enough sleep, reducing stress, limiting alcohol and caffeine, quitting smoking, and considering supplements can all help improve fertility and increase the chances of having a healthy pregnancy. It is important to remember that infertility is a medical condition, and that there are many treatments available for those who are struggling to conceive. If you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, or 6 months if you are over 35, it is recommended that you seek the advice of a fertility specialist. By taking care of your body and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can improve your chances of conceiving and having a healthy pregnancy. Good luck on your fertility journey, and don't forget to subscribe to hear more about female health and tips to improve your TTC journey.